How to reduce blue light on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. This page allows you to adjust the screen brightness, switch between light and dark appearance, enable True Tone, and configure other display-related settings. Here, scroll down and go to Night Shift as shown. Night Shift automatically shifts the colors of your display to the warmer end of the color spectrum after dark. This may help you get a better night's sleep. On this page, turn on the Manually Enable Until Tomorrow option. And then, go to the Color Temperature section below and drag the button towards the more warm end. Following these steps, you can easily reduce blue light on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.